I'm Betsy Bobo, and I'm the captain of the BETSEA, and this is just a fabulous boat. It looks like it could be intimidating at first, but it's a great boat to operate. And I actually got my captain's license after we got this boat, and it is a bigger boat than we had before, and because of the weight of the boat, we decided after some in-services that I would drive the boat and Herb would take care of all the lines. And it's just worked out so great, and Herb can just sit back and relax and tend the lines, and I operate the boat. And it's just a great boat to operate and navigate. It's got great engines, and it's just really not that difficult to operate. I'm able to get it in and out of the slip without any trouble, and going up and down the river is just a breeze. And for you women out there who might be looking at this boat, I just want to reassure you that it's a great vessel to be able to operate, and don't let the size intimidate you. It's just easy to learn how to use and operate, and it's just been a great boat to have. And so we hope that you will enjoy looking over the BETSEA and seriously consider it, and thank you so much.